Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Pedialax Enema is probably one of the most effective over-the-counter solutions for constipation relief, especially for children. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Pedialax Enema, exploring its ingredients, how it works, and who can benefit from it. We'll also discuss important considerations, such as potential side effects and proper usage, to ensure you're making an informed decision for your family's health and well-being. Let's get started. Number 5. Smokitcen Enema Kit, 2L Bag. This enema kit is made with top-notch materials. The bag is crafted from imported premium rubber, and the hose is medical-grade silicone. It's designed for your safety and comfort. The kit includes a soft, reusable nozzle and flexible tips, all free of BPA and phthalates. It's easy to use and can be hung anywhere with the provided hooks. This makes the process simple and convenient. It features a yellow valve that allows you to control the water flow speed. This ensures a safe, comfortable, and pleasant experience. You can adjust it to your personal preference. The kit includes a 2L enema bag, a 5.0 feet silicone hose, and 3 reusable tips of different sizes. You can choose the tip that best suits your needs. It has everything you need for a complete cleanse. This kit is perfect for at-home colon cleansing. It's suitable for various enema types, including Garson therapy, coffee enemas, and water cleanses. It's a versatile tool for your wellness routine. What we like. This enema kit boasts superior quality materials, ensuring safety and durability. It also features a controlled water flow mechanism for a comfortable experience. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with everything you need for various enema types, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those seeking a reliable and versatile solution for colon cleansing. What people say. The bag is a heavy-gauge rubber and appears well made, so it should last a long time, and it easily held 1,250 milliliters of liquid. Comes with all the attachments and tubing to get it all connected together, plus a good variety of tips. The process of connecting it all together is pretty straightforward too. Number 4. Cologne Cleanse Enema Bag Kit with Silicone Hose. This enema bag kit is made with high-quality, medical-grade silicone. It's odorless, BPA-free, and phthalate-free, meeting Australian and American health standards. This ensures a safe and effective cleansing experience for you. The kit includes everything you need for a comfortable enema. It comes with a silicone bag, a long hose, multiple enema tips, and a hook for hanging. This makes the process easy and convenient to use in your bathroom. The kit features a non-return valve to prevent backflow. The flow control clamp allows you to adjust the water flow. This design ensures a safe and comfortable enema experience. This 2-quart enema kit provides a simple and safe way to perform enemas at home. You can use it in your shower or bathroom without needing a medical professional. It helps relieve discomfort and improve your health. This kit is suitable for various enema types, including colon cleansing, coffee enemas, and water cleanses. It can also be used as a hot or cold water bag. This makes it a versatile tool for your health needs. What we like. This kit is made with medical-grade silicone, meeting high health standards. It includes a controllable flow valve for a safe and comfortable experience. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use kit for home use, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those seeking a safe and effective way to relieve constipation and improve overall health. What people say. This unit is put together well and works perfect. The opening in the top makes it easy to fill, hold during use, and to clean. Great quality, and love how everything is sealed in its own package. Number 3. Pedia-Lax Laxative Saline Enema for Kids. Is your child experiencing occasional constipation? This product offers relief in just 1 to 5 minutes. It's designed to gently ease discomfort. This saline enema is specifically for kids aged 2 to 11. It features a child-sized dose and a soft, flexible comfort tip for easy and comfortable use. The saline solution hydrates the colon and softens stools. This provides gentle relief for those occasional constipation issues your child might face. Pedia-Lax is the #1 pediatrician-recommended children's laxative brand. You can trust it to provide the relief your child needs. Each purchase includes 24 packs, with each bottle containing 2.25 fluid ounces. It's also FSA and HS eligible in the US. What we like. This product provides fast-acting relief for children, typically in 1 to 5 minutes. It features a child-sized dose with a soft, flexible comfort tip. If you have a child experiencing occasional constipation, you should consider this. It's the #1 pediatrician-recommended children's laxative brand, offering a trusted solution for parents. What people say. This product works quickly and effectively. It is a reliable solution for constipation relief. The product is easy to administer. Number 2. Collapsible Silicone Enema Kit. This complete enema kit makes performing enemas easier than ever. It includes everything you need for a comfortable and convenient experience. You can enjoy colon detox cleansing relief in your own bathroom. Made with medical-grade silicone, this kit is odorless, BPA-free, and phthalate-free. It's designed to meet Australian and American health standards. This ensures the highest quality and safety for your use. The kit features a non-return valve to prevent backflow. The flow control clamp allows you to adjust the water flow. This provides a safe and comfortable enema experience. This 1.2L enema kit offers a simple and safe way to administer enemas at home. You can use it in your shower or bathroom without professional assistance. It's designed for your convenience. This kit is suitable for various enema types, including colon cleansing and coffee enemas. It can also be used as a hot or cold water bag. It's a versatile tool for your health needs. What we like. This enema kit features a collapsible design for easy storage and portability. It is made of medical-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability. If you like a compact and high-quality enema kit with a controllable flow, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and effective solution for colon cleansing at home or while traveling. What people say. Water flow is good. Shut-off valve works well. Easy to use and clean. Number 1. Fleet Children's Enema 2.25 fluid ounces. This product is designed to provide relief from fecal impaction or occasional constipation. It helps to ease discomfort and promote bowel movements. Use it as directed for effective results. It acts as a purgative, effectively cleansing the bowels. This is particularly useful in preparing for certain medical procedures. Always follow the instructions provided. The enema features a pre-lubricated tip, ensuring comfortable and easy insertion. This design enhances the user experience. It's designed for ease of use and minimal discomfort. The formula includes monobasic and dibasic sodium phosphate. These ingredients work together to provide the desired effect. Always check the label for complete information. Before use, it's crucial to read all label information. This will ensure you understand how to use the product safely and effectively. Following the instructions is essential for the best results. What we like. This enema is designed to relieve fecal impaction and occasional constipation. It has a pre-lubricated tip for easy insertion. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution for occasional constipation, you should consider this. It's a convenient option for those seeking quick relief. What people say. It works as described. This is saline-based and works very well. Worked well with my 7-year-old. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.